Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate event planning with Eventbrite step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Eventbrite account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Eventbrite website. Once logged in, click on the Create Event button. Select the type of event you are organizing, such as an in-person event or a virtual experience. Fill in the essential event details, including the event title, date, and location. Next, configure the ticketing options by choosing whether your event will be free or paid. If you're offering different ticket types, set those options accordingly. Set the quantity available for each ticket type to limit sales as needed. After tickets are set, customize your event page by adding images and a description. Include any additional information that attendees might need, such as parking details or accessibility options. Once your event page is ready, review all the information carefully for accuracy. Next, enable any automated emails by navigating to the Email Settings section. Here you can customize confirmation emails, reminders, and follow-up messages. If you want to promote your event, consider integrating social media sharing options. Set your event to be listed on Eventbrite's public event directory for more visibility. When everything is complete, click on the Publish button to make your event live. Monitor ticket sales through the Eventbrite dashboard for real-time updates. Consider using Eventbrite's promotional tools to boost attendance. Finally, engage with your attendees post-event by sending out feedback surveys via automated emails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.